Hello, friends. My Serger has a problem. Let me show you the pictures. You see here, there is a chip missing from my feed dog, and it is getting caught on the fabric when I try to sew, and it's putting holes in the fabric. It's a disaster. So I ordered a new feed dog, and I'm gonna replace it.
Hi-ho, diggity-licious!
Guess what came in the mail today? It's the feed dog. I really hope this was the right one. It was the only one I could find in the entire internet that looks like that. So, fingers crossed it is the right one. They put it in an envelope inside an envelope. Was that really necessary? Inside another bag. Inside another bag. Excessive packaging. But I do believe this is the one. So now I have to take this out and put this one in. Unplug for safety. Okay, so I got the foot off, and now I'm gonna I'm gonna cut the thread and unthread the machine. That would probably be the best thing to do. I can always rethread it later. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this plate off. Oh, by golly. Damn, this is annoying. There we go. Oh, okay. I guess I don't have to unscrew that all the way. That's nice. I'll set these over here. Don't want to get my sets of screws mixed up. I got a brush. I should brush this off before I take it all apart. It would take me 8 years to clean this whole Serger with just a brush. Now, I'm very curious how I'm gonna get in there and unscrew those. I don't know if I can get, like, do you understand the problem? The screwdriver is taller than the space in which I need to use the screwdriver. I'm gonna go raid my husband's tools and see if he's got something shorter. They might still be too tall, but I'm gonna try them. Yeah, they're still too long. Damn it. Alright, let's go put these back in the basement. We have, between the two of us, a bazillion screwdrivers. And not one of them is gonna do it. I have no idea what most of this is for. Okay, so in order to unscrew that screw right there, this is really awkward. Ugh, I need a screwdriver that is less than 2 inches. Oh, good grief. 4 centimeters, max. You know how Allen wrenches are like L-shaped? I think that would be the ideal in this situation. I live right there, but they don't have what I'm looking for. I'm really hoping that this will move it. This screw here, like there's just too much going on above it. And I'm not sure that this is gonna do it either.
It's too cumbersome.
It's just too big. This part's too big. It needs to be smaller.
Oh, the flat part?
Yeah. It needs to be like a little bit more this way.
Micro dealy.
I know. I don't know if we have one of those.
Another tool bag. I have one here. Is that the hook thing you're talking about?
Yeah. I mean, I can try, but
Try it from the front.
like I just.
Try it from the front.
Oh my goodness, it's moved. Michael, why? Didn't I? I'm gonna celebrate International Women's Day by taking credit for your contributions. You're amazing.
You can give me kudos in the comments.
I will.
Well, at least I got some use out of that thing. I did use it at Detroit, so we're good. I bought it.
Alright. The old one's off!
Oh my gosh. Did you even try that screwdriver, or did you just look at that and go, oh my god, he does not know what he's talking about?
The second one.
So you didn't even try it?
I had imagined coming in from
Yeah.
the back. I don't know why I didn't think to just stick it down in there and go at an angle.
So,
But here we are. I'm gonna put the new one on.
well, I'm going to go enjoy my coffee.
Enjoy your coffee. That's why I made it. Yes. Why?
Record the removal?
Yes. I recorded all your comments too. Now, can I get the screw in the hole after I got the screw out of the hole? This is stupidly awkward. I think this would be even better if the screwdriver was magnetic. Just to go scrape it against the refrigerator or something. I scraped the screwdriver. Now, maybe. Oh, it's magnetic, alright. Alright, I got one partially on. Now I'm gonna get the other partially on before I tighten anything. I think I finally got them. Alright. Oh, they're both tight now. Now I can put the plate back on. Alright, that one's partially on. Now I can tighten them both. Okay, I might need this thing. I think I figured it out, actually. I didn't have enough torque. Thanks for this.
Oh, cool.
But you could tighten it if you wanted to.
If you feel you have it secured, I think it's good.
Okay. Last but not least is to put the foot back on. I'll just brush this out on here. Alright, it's threaded. Now I can plug it in. It's turned on. Let's give it a seems to be doing well. I declare I have succeeded in changing the feed dog. This is the old one. And yeah, so what do I do with an old feed dog? I changed the feed dogs. It works now. I can get back to making my jersey, which you will see in the next video. Bye.